Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy new year to the one who is watching. As we all know, it's January already. We barely have 3 or 4 months to complete the whole syllabus and revise it once. So without getting any delay, let's just go through the weightage. Why weightage is important? Because it tells us what are the maximum number of chapters and what are the minimum number of chapters which asked every year. So as you can see, the 4 chapters: living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. These are from the unit named as diversity in living world from class 11th. From this unit, the number of questions asked every year varies from 11 to 12. Moving forward to human physiology, which includes digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange, body fluid and circulations, excretion and products, locomotion, neural control and chemical control. As you can also see the number of questions asked in 2021, I have written here. The number of questions asked every year from this unit named as human physiology varies from 14 to 15. According to me, this is the highest weightage chapter. This is the highest weightage unit, I can say, from class 11th. Moving forward to the next unit, which is plant physiology, you can see transport in plants, mineral nutrition, photosynthesis and respiration in plant, and as well as plant growth and development. These 5 chapters are included in plant physiology. The number of questions asked every year from these chapters varies from 6 to 5. Now moving forward to the next unit, that is structural organization in plants and animals, which includes 3 chapters: morphology, anatomy and structural organization. The number of questions asked every year from this unit varies from 6 to 7. As you can see, the number of questions asked in 2021 as well. Moving towards the next unit, which is cell and its function, which includes 3 chapters: cell unit of life, biomolecules, cell cycle and division. The number of questions asked every year from this unit varies from 7 to 8. Here comes the end of class 11 chapter. Here let's take the outlook from unit 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Moving towards class 12th, here we have first unit, human health and disease, strategies for enhancement and food production, microbes. Unit name is human welfare. The number of questions asked every year from this unit varies from 7 to 8. Now here comes the most important chapter, that is biotechnology. You can see the number of questions asked in 2021 varies from 4 to 5, which means the single chapter which has 2 points, principle and application, carries the maximum weightage. Moving forward to the next unit, which is ecology from class 12th, which includes organization and population, ecosystem, biodiversity and environmental issues. This unit carries around 12 to 13 questions every year. Moving forward to the most important unit of class 12, which is genetics and evolution. The number of questions asked every year from this unit varies from 12 to 13. You can see the number of questions asked last year, even from principle of inheritance, 5 to 6, then molecular basis, then evolution. Here comes the last unit of class 12, which named as reproduction. So the reproduction in animals, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction and reproductive health. The number of questions asked every year from these 4 chapters varies from 9 to 10. Here comes the end of the chapters from class 11 to 12th. You can know the most important chapters and the minimum important chapters by the given number of questions asked in 2021. Moving forward to the analysis which I have made on the basis of last 8 papers. You can see I have written everything unit wise and chapter wise. You can go through it, make a short note, or you can take a screenshot or download a PDF which I will share on description box.